When I make these condensed milk treats, everyone asks for the recipe. The best part? No baking required. In a bowl, start by adding 395 grams of condensed milk. Next, add 3 eggs. 100 grams of melted butter. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything well. Then add 2 to 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Add it gradually while mixing. I'll also add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Folks, when the dough looks like this, it's ready. Now, transfer all the dough to the counter. Knead it lightly until smooth. Now, using a knife, let's cut the dough. I'll divide it into 8 parts. Take a small piece and shape it slightly, just like I'm doing here. Next, lightly grease a frying pan with oil. Then add our little dough balls. Hey folks, if you liked our pop in the kitchen pan, click the link below to get yours. Now let's cover it and let it brown on the bottom. Once that's done, we'll flip it over. Cover it again and let it brown on the other side. Check it out, guys. It looks amazing. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. These gorditas are perfect for breakfast or afternoon tea. Best part? No oven needed. That's another recipe from Pop in the Kitchen. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks.